Hello everyone. What is the average salary of a cleaner in Slovenia? The estimated average annual gross salary is $16,900. After tax, the average net salary is $12,844 per year. That is roughly $1,412 gross and $1,070 net each month. In Ljubljana, the average annual gross salary is higher at $18,928. The net salary there is $14,385, or roughly $1,577 gross and $1,199 net each month. Pay can change with experience, the workplace, and shift patterns. Hotel and industrial cleaning jobs may pay more than basic daytime work. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.